Before we get started, what even is Microsoft Excel? Excel is spreadsheet software that allows you to analyze and get insights from your data. In a sense, it tells you the story behind your data. For example, at the Kevin Cookie Company, we keep track of all of our order information in Excel. And here, using formulas, I can see which customer spends and orders the most from us. I can also use conditional formatting here, and I can see which month is the best in terms of sales for the cookie company. I can even insert a chart that visually represents this data. And it looks like for the cookie business, December is the best month of the year, and then January is the worst month of the year. I guess a New Year's resolution isn't really that good for the cookie business. I can also insert pivot tables if I want to analyze data quickly. I can also work together with others because when you work by yourself, it gets just a little bit lonely. We're going to look at all of these topics and more. First, let's look at how you can even get Microsoft Excel.